Today, I'll show you how to create a rolling cube transition in CapCut PC. This effect gives your video a 3D cube rotation, making it look smooth and professional. Let's get started. First, import your two video clips onto the timeline and place them side by side. Now, head over to the transitions panel and search for cube roll. Once you find it, simply drag and drop the effect between your clips. By default, the transition has a set speed, but you can adjust it using the duration slider or by dragging the transition edges on the timeline. A longer duration gives a slower, more cinematic rotation, while a shorter one makes it quick and snappy. And that's it. You've successfully added a rolling cube transition in CapCut PC. Play around with the duration to match your editing style. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut editing tips.